Hi, welcome to the market alert for Tuesday, the 20th of December 2016. So overnight market here. Look how quiet this is. It's pretty dreary and quiet. And as we move back to yesterday, you can see that the first hour had the most volatility, and that's why I sent a note out when the market started trading sideways, and then it did pull back, but then got into a tight trading range there. And as I said in my note, the market was waiting for this. Donald Trump seals Electoral College victory, officially becomes 45th US president. And that happened overnight. And yet the market hasn't really reacted to it. But I suppose it really was a given. Nothing that, apart from trying to derail all of this with the Russian hacking and all that sort of nonsense. It looks like all of the electoral colleges stuck with the original vote. It says here that 304 electoral following Texas vote with 2 faithless electors. So it looks like the majority obviously voted for Trump, and he is now officially the president, or the next president of the United States. So the market hasn't really done a lot with this, and it even looks worse in the daily chart. You can see a very narrow range. It looks like the chart hasn't loaded properly, but I can assure you that's the activity we've got on the overnight. So it's Tuesday. We know what Tuesdays can be like. They can be a very slow day. Let's see if we've got any news to move the markets. There's no news today either. I'm just going to double check this with the Forex Factory, because Yellen came out and spoke last night, but it wasn't on Forex Factories. Let me just double check that this is correct. It is correct, 20th, no news for today. So again, we can expect the markets to remain sideways there, too high. But it is good because the market can move to the upside, because there is no bad news, as it were, to move the markets lower. The other good thing is the implied volatility is at 9.93. This is setting itself up beautifully, either between Christmas or the beginning of the new year, for a major correction in the Dow Jones. 9.93, you can see this in the chart. This is what we want. We had the August lows, and then we had a bit of a correction in September, and then we had the November election where the market only dropped 500 points. But this is different now. We've got Trump in, and if you've not seen the video that I recorded over a month ago about Trump being the fall guy, I'll put the link in today's email so that you can have a look at that as well. I think he will be. There's no love lost between he and Yellen, as I said yesterday. And the rest of the politicians over there as well, who seem to don't like it when they don't win, and they'll do anything to try and derail it, which we've seen in the last few weeks. But anyway, this is not a political thing. This is a market one, and this is setting itself up beautifully for a major correction. Also, the VIX, the volatility index, also made a multi-year low yesterday as well. But the stocks aren't running off. They're not running to the upside, which they should be with these sorts of lows that are being made. So again, very interesting picture there as well. So this seems like the momentum's sort of gone, but don't write it off. We could get to the 20,000 before Christmas yet. We're not that far off. Right, that's it for today. It's not a lot to say or report. We're in the run-up to the Christmas weekend, and this is just perfectly normal, as it is most years. Right, that's it. As ever, thanks for your support, and also for watching. See you in the next one.